Hi, if you have any jar that has the label that is really stuck, today I'm going to show you an easy hack that will help you remove it very easily. I've had these jars this coffee jar has one of the sides that you can't take the glue off. I don't know what type of glue it is. I tried it with a knife. I tried scratching it, I tried sanding it, I used hot water, nail polish remover, alcohol, you name it. I tried with everything. Here I'm using a stainless steel sponge. This round jar has this label for years. I could never ever remove it. I tried scratching, scrubbing, absolutely everything. So I read about a hack that you can take them off with a WD-40, that's a lubricant. So I wanted to try it to see if it was true. So I let the jar dry and then I sprayed it with this lubricant and I left it for around 15 minutes and then I sprayed it again and I left it for around an hour. And to see what would happen, I did it with both jars. And after around an hour, I tried removing the label. And with the first jar, I tried with a stainless steel sponge first, and I had no luck. And then I tried scraping it with a knife, and it actually came off very easily. After I took the label off, I washed it with soap and water, and it was completely clean, and it was very easy to remove. I couldn't believe it. And then I tried with the round jar, which the round jar was very hard for me to remove. I had this jar for years. I wanted to decorate it, paint it, but I never could. So I tried with the knife, and a bit came off, yes. And then I said, okay, let's try washing it and scratching it with the stainless steel sponge. So I put it under the water with cold water with soap, and it came off immediately as well. So I hope this hack can help you out with all these labels if you want to decorate jars. And well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye.